Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. We have the WEN 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator. So if you like the WEN 3800 and you wanted dual fuel, well now you got a 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator by WEN. Pure sine wave power, so you can power all those sensitive loads with a 4000 watt surge and a 3200 watt running watt. Okay, let's get some specs. I got the manual in my hands. Let's just go over a few specs of this. Like I said, it's 3200 watts, 4000 surge, 120 volt rated. This generator will put out 26.6 total amps. It has a TT-30R and the 20 amp 520R plugs. It has a cigarette lighter, the DC amp, 10 DC amps. It is single phase, super quiet, 58 dB, okay, at 25% load. That's at 22 feet. And it has a weight of 100 pounds, so it's packing some weight, okay. It has the 212 engine, just like the 3800. It will run 8.5 hours with a 50% load for 8.5 hours on gas and 9 hours on a 20 pound LPG tank. Okay, let's go ahead and get it up here and we can go through some of the great features, all right? All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Once you open the box, you're gonna get your manual right here. Okay, 4000. You got a spark plug puller and a screwdriver, a really bright screwdriver, and some wrench. Look at this. It comes with 3 wrench, screwdriver, a spark plug puller, and this looked like some kind of oil. All right. Okay, so you have your the regulator and hose for the propane, and this will be a gas. It says you can use up to 10% ethanol gas, pump gas. Okay, so that's the funnel, the other part we saw. This right here is just the adapter for the funnel. So this just goes on here and so it tilts the funnel. That's it. This is the WEN 4000. Okay. It is the dual fuel. So you can run this generator on gas or on propane, connecting it right here. It comes with all the adapter you need to connect it to propane. Okay, so it comes with all the adapters you need to use the propane. You have the hose, the regulator. You just connect it right here and you can run your generator on propane bottle. So if you like the WEN 3800 but you really wish you had a dual fuel version, this is it for you guys. You have the same great generator, same engine, but now you have that capability of running it on dual fuel. It is RV ready. Let's take a quick look at the information panel right here. You get your load, goes 0 to 100, and on this side you get a digital gauge for your fuel and all your data over here: voltage, frequency, time. You have your multi-switch right here, and this one is auto fuel select, so it doesn't matter what you're using, it will automatically select gas or propane. Okay, you have your engine switch right here: on, start, eco mode, double 120 20 amp, 2 USB over here. It is parallel capable. You also have a DC plug, like a cigarette lighter plug right here. So this is going to be real nice for people that really wanted the WEN generator, but they want that ability of running on propane or gas. So this is it right here, the 4000. We'll take a closer look inside, and then we'll do a sound check and see what it sounds like. Okay guys, here we are, the WEN 4000 watt dual fuel generator. Okay, same great generator. You got the RV ready plug. This one has the auto fuel select, so you just turn this on. That's your choke. Run. So it would automatically select whichever fuel you have, whether it's propane or regular pump gas. Okay, so let's go through some of the other features. This would be your battery. Spin this around. You got recoil starter. This would be where you put your oil in, guys. This whole panel right here would come off, and this would be your service panel. It does have a spark arrestor, so that's good for if you want to run this in the park. You have to have this spark arrestor. This right here, this whole thing comes off, and this is another service panel. Okay, we're gonna get some oil in this generator, fire it up, and do a DB test. And you know, as usual, we'll run it against something else in another video. Okay, let me get the top off so we. 1, 2. Man, 2 clips and the whole thing comes off. Wow, look at the size of this padding. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at the size of this insulation. I mean, almost complete. It's like almost a 1-inch thick insulation. This thing is gonna be quiet. This thing gotta be quiet. This. Let me show you this on the side. Get this down. Okay, so easy, very super easy access to your spark plug. Okay. Filter right here, real easy access as well. I see your carburetor and emissions, and I can see right here, this is the regulator for the pump for the propane gas. See a little piece of your battery. Do we have to open the front? I guess we have to open the front to access. Okay. The battery cover has insulation on it. Noise reduction. Awesome. You don't have to pull it all the way out. Just pull it out about 1 inch so you could connect the battery. All right, guys, we got a battery connected. Go ahead and put your battery cover back on. Put that down. So this is where you would put your oil. More padding. No wonder this has a low dB rating. One thing I always like about the WEN generators is this oil change access right here. You just pull this hose out, and then you can drain your oil. Real convenient. It comes with this funnel. Fits real good. Let's get some regular 1030 oil. Okay guys, I just went ahead and I connected the battery, added the 1030 oil, and I put back all the paneling. Let's go ahead and take this generator outside, let it run for a little bit, and then we'll do a load sound test on it. On the next video, we'll do the load test and the comparison to another generator. I think I want to compare this to the 3800 and probably some other 4000. You know, hopefully the Champion dual fuel. We can compare it to this and do a load test comparison to this generator. So guys, stay tuned. Go ahead and push that subscribe button so you could see this comparison. Okay guys, one of the things I want to show you is if you own a WEN generator, remember, or Champion in the same model as this one, you gotta remove the transport bolt on the bottom of this generator, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. The easiest way to do this is get you this right here, stick it right on the back of the generator, okay? Then roll it back onto that padding. That way you don't scratch your generator, and just keep it like this. So what you're trying to remove are, you see them red tabs? You see these red tabs? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to remove those. You gotta remove those. So just go ahead and get all these off. Take the bolt off. Take the little red tab off. What this is like to keep the engine sturdy while it's being shipped, okay? Once you take this off, you can just hang on to these. If one day you have to ship the generator or you sell it, you want to put these back, okay? Don't discard them. First thing you need to do is get your hose with your regulator. Okay, so there's a little cover tab right here. You pull that off and you simply just connect. Screw that on. Get you a 19 or 3/4. Torque it down. Not too tight, guys. Just torque it down. Get you your propane. Make sure it's closed. Go ahead and connect your propane. Once you connect the propane, go ahead and open up the gas all the way. Okay. Get your eco mode off. Put it to run. Put this to on. All the way to choke, and hit the up button. Let it prime a little bit. All right, guys, there you go. All right, you got the WEN 4000 running on propane. Zero load, that's your load meter. So you just keep it on run, eco mode. Everything's running good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and shut it off. Let me go ahead and shut it off. Put it on off. Okay. So we're gonna get some gas. I'm gonna shut off the propane. Okay. I'm gonna leave the propane hose connected. So it says right here, it says auto fuel select. Okay, so it should automatically pick gas or propane. Just enough I'll just put just enough to start it up. Okay, so now we got gas. Let's see what happens. I'm really curious to see what happens when I start this. Go ahead and put it on choke. On. All right, that's gas. So if I want to drain all the gas out of the carburetor, I just leave it like this in off position and let it run out. If I want to manually shut it off, I'll just do that. Let's get the fuel out. Okay guys, we got the WEN 4000 situated over there. It's about 20 feet away from me. This is with eco mode off. $40, 54.5. Okay, let's go ahead and turn eco mode on. Get back 20 feet. $52.7. This thing is about as quiet as the Westinghouse 4500, the Cummins 4500, and Briggs & Stratton 4500. I think those are some of the quietest ones I've heard. This thing is just as quiet, probably more. 52.5 at 20 feet. Okay guys, I just want to thank you for watching Gavin's Garage. This has been the WEN 4000 dual fuel generator, 4000 peak, 3200 running. Okay guys, I can't wait to review this generator. I want to run this generator against its 3800. A lot of people love the dual fuel, especially if you're RVing or camping. I mean, you get 20 pounds of fuel, and you have the ability to carry gas, so you can run gas and propane. If you wanted a WEN dual fuel generator, there you go guys. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up please, and please subscribe to my channel. I do generator reviews, a lot of review, and some car and motorcycle stuff. Please guys, stay tuned for this test. It's going to be interesting. I can't wait to see what we get out of this generator. Okay, thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.